Hello guys, myself Amrita. Welcome back to our channel TechnoSage. So in today's video, we are going to discuss LeetCode problem number 231, that is power of 2. So the problem states that given an integer n, return true if it is a power of 2, otherwise return false. So in the example, you can see n is equals to 1, which is 2 raised to power 0 is equal to 1, right? So that means 1 is the power of 2, so we need to return true. And then you can see 16 is also true because it is completely divisible by 2 raised to 4. And then 3 is not divisible by 2, so that means it is not a power of 2, so we need to return false in this case. Now let's understand how we are going to solve this problem. So let's take two examples. Let's take one is 16, which is a power of 2, and we'll take one more example which is not a power of 2. So how to check whether this number is a power of 2? So you have to divide this number by 2. So when you divide this number by 2, you get 8 and the remainder is 0, right? When remainder is 0, you can still keep checking further whether this number is divisible by 2. So 8 divided by 2, which comes as 4, again remainder is 0. You can still keep on checking. 4 divided by 2, which comes as 2 and remainder is again 0. You can still check that number. 2 divided by 2, which comes as 1, and the remainder again is 0. Now since 1 is less than 2, so you don't need to keep checking further. If you get the remainder as 0 in all the cases, then you can say that this number is the power of 2 and you can return false. Correct? For example, if you take number 15, once you divide 15 by 2, you get 7, but you get remainder as 1. So in that case, it is not a power of 2, so you can return false. So this is how we need to check whether a particular number is a power of 2 or not. Now let's write the solution for it. So this is our class, that is power of 2. Now let's write a method that would be public static boolean, since it is going to return true or false. Now we need to check is power of 2 and the input would be integer n. So firstly, we can exclude our condition. If that number is equals to 0, then it cannot be a power of 2. So we can return false. Otherwise, we can keep checking that number. While that number is reduced to 1, I showed you, right? While that number is reduced to 1, we need to keep dividing it by 3. Right? While that number is not equal to 1, we need to divide that number by 2 and check the remainder. How do we check the remainder in Java? If n mod 2, which is remainder, is not equal to 0, then we can directly return false and divide that number by 2. Else we can keep dividing that number by 2. And at the end, we can return true. Now let's go back to our main function. Let's take the input as 16 first, which is a power of 2. Now let's write our print statement to check the output. It would be is power of 2 n. Let's run the program and see the output. Since 16 is a power of 2, so it should return true. So the output here is true. Let's take other negative input, for example 15. Let's run the program and see the output. So the output here is false because 15 is not a power of 2. So this is how we need to solve this problem. If you have any questions, any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Also provide your feedback in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.